Hello viewers, welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. Let's make this juicy Sprite flavored garlic butter shrimps. A very easy way to cook shrimps with a twist. What can be more satisfying than cooking shrimps with one of our well-loved drinks, Sprite, creating a very delicious sweet savory dish. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. To clean the shrimps or the prawns, all you need is a scissor. Firstly, cut the antenna and the legs, then devein. A black slimy vein of a shrimp that isn't really a vein at all. It is actually the digestive tract containing the previously eaten food or the sand particles. So better to remove this. You can prepare this recipe without the shells and the head. My advice would be to cook the shrimps or the prawns with their heads and shells intact for a more robust and truly delicious flavor. The heads have a pocket of fat that flavors the shrimps. If you want some umami goodness, keep the head and the shells on. And now I will give a final wash. Shrimp's head have a wonderful briny flavor that levens up any dish it is added to. The heads have a pocket of fat that flavors the shrimps. Check out the ingredients and enjoy making the recipe. Ta-da! The luscious buttery garlic butter shrimps is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and do leave your feedback. I am serving it with protein-rich spaghetti. Coming soon with the next creamy spaghetti recipe without cream and butter. See you soon.